Let's start, shall we? With a galaxy far, far away. Hi everybody, welcome to Nature Treks VR. Let's have a little look. I'm glad you could join me. Welcome to the old channel. Where are you? Here? You're on this somewhere. And then we'll get you some heat. Make you all sick. I got the whole world in my hands. Anyway, let's start, shall we? With a galaxy far, far away. Okay, so we have turquoise oasis, white waterfall, blue ocean, green meadows, red savanna, orange sunset, violet, not very Buddhist, violet dawn, white winter is coming, and red fall. So let's dive in to a turquoise oasis. Yes. Oh, you're probably all enlightened anyway, I'm sure. Tune into this channel, you must be. Look where we are. Wow. So everything will become apparent. Let's see. We have to teleport. We can make it night. Time. And a palm tree. We can grow some big grass. Wow. Stones. Okay, let's... let's go and see the turquoise oasis. 'Tis over here. We can turn the music off. So we have just... what else can we do? We can teleport to here. There's a wee us sitting with a Oculus Rift on our face. Holy moly. Let's see if we can't. We can look at that. It has to light up, and then you press boink, and you boink over to it. Oh, so now I own my own turquoise oasis. Anytime you want, you can grab the old enlightening bubble and enclose yourself. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, okay. So as I don't spend just the entire video in this one, which is possible. I'm looking for some. There's a fish. There's a fishy over there. Must see the turquoise oasis a fishy and see what it tastes like. Wow. So let's go back. Goodness, that's just one. That's just one that tells you this video is going to be really long. But by the end of it, you will be so enlightened that you'll be looking at yourself going, what now? It was going to thunder and lightning, very, very frightening. Okay, let's get to the waterfall. Wow. Oh, well, that's my enlighteningness. Oh, that's mighty herbs. Okay. We can teleport to some... Rid of that. There's a crocodilian. I see one. Mr. Crocodile. Wow, I think we have to go up there, I think. How do we get up there? Oh. To look at it. Hang on. There we go, that's better. Oh, I have to hold on to it. There we'll go up to the cliff face. I am the king of all I survey. Wow. Yeah, I don't know if I've lined up. I think I've lined up to it. Let's go over there. Why not? It's raining out there. Oh, I'm facing the wrong way. Look at this. We've got butterflies we can make. Go, butterflies. Wow. You can blip into this cave, look. Wow, so cool. Let's try the next one. Oh my goodness. No way am I going to get all these done. No way. Blue ocean. There's no way. I'm facing the wrong way as you do. The blue ocean. But what is this? Turn off that mosaic. Oh, it's a tree. Throw it out there. Butterflies. Woo! I'm not throwing it very far. We got... very slow butterflies. They're in no hurry. You ever seen a butterfly in a hurry? Me neither. Let's blip down to the ocean. The ocean blue. Wow, I teleported earlier. Let's go get her feet wet. Butterflies on the beach. We gotta make some rocks. Okay, let's flip over here. Wow, it's so relaxing. It's gorgeous. I wish you could just walk though, you know that. Let's see, we'll go up here. Or up there. What can you say? Like, wow. Okay, next. Oh, green meadows. We're getting there. We're getting there. We're getting there. It's gonna take an hour or so to upload. My goodness me, you've got loads of patience, you people. I love you people. Holy moly. Nest. Okay, chill out, look. I made like flowers, sunning flowers. Wow. I don't want to leave. I don't want to leave. Can't make me leave. I'm always facing the wrong way. Can we change the weather? Make it rain. Make it butterfly. Oh. Make it tree. Oh, that's my highlight. Wow. Okay. So, as you can see, I'm missing loads. Well, I'm not missing loads, like, because I'm just trying to, like, show you. And you get, like, you know, reach nirvana each time we go into each new scene. You see, it's a new state of being. Let's just take stock. Like, are they animals? There's a zebra. Oh. Oh, wow. Holy. And a mandala? Oh, man. What the heck is going on? There's a hippopotamus. I can make it sunny. And stormy. Unbelievable. Music off. Oh my god. How long has that been on? What is this? Oh. Oh no. Where's he going? Is it an ocean kitty? Wow. I can't take it all in at once. Turn that off. Turn those off. Get the day. Oh! Can we do Lion King? Oh no. Simba. Let's have a look at it. Oh my goodness. Stop laughing. Okay, next. Amazing. I don't know what he thought was so funny. Orange sunset. We're getting there. It's beautiful, isn't it? Thumbs up and things. Is that an aisle? Hey. Too close. Hello, Mr. Aisle. Where you going? Hey, can I make bees? There's some bees for you. Oh, the little glow bugs. Wow. There you go. He likes the dark and the rain. Doing this for you, Mr. Isle. Okay, I seem to have got fixated on an owl there. Did you notice? Let's get down a wee bit. Oh, wow. Beam me down, Scotty. Bet you we can cross the river. We can? Wow. An owl can live in that tree. Look at this. Oh, so much stuff. Next. Okay. Orange Sunset. Val and Dawn. I know, I know. Okay, bring yourself down again because we're going in somewhere else. We're going somewhere else. Where are we now? Where are we now? See if we can't get a bit of height. There we go. How many places you can go in this meadow? I always need more butterflies and some trees. Wow. Where's that going? Oh no, oh no. Spectacular. I am Gandalf Zarin 1 type person. Just go and relax. Chill out. If you've got a hectic life, I'm like swickled myself. Okay, continuing. Green games. It's called Nature Treks VR, by the way. Okay, White Winters. Let's go see John. Mr. Frost. So we can make it snow? Not really growing any wee planties. Grow my little planties. There's some stars. Oh no! Can we make it snow? At night? Music. Stop plays. Oh, the music. Oh dear goodness. Okay, let's go over here. Tis windy, so tis. Oh, come on. Can I? Of course I can. Let's see. Any teleporting places we can teleport to? There's one down there. We'll blip down there. We will reincarnate down here. And turtle over. Oh my god. Hey man. Oh my god. Hiya. Hi, Curly you. Where you going? He's gone. He's gone. That's good. It's pretty good. I wonder if there's like, I don't know, double snowman. A double. Oh, we can't go that way. What's that noise? Uh-oh. Does that make it snow, or did I chuck it? Sparkers. Okay, we've got one left. We've seen a burr in that one. What more could you want? Red fall. The last one, guys and gals. And we will blend in this one. We will come as one. Let's come as one, everybody. There is a Mr. Fox. Mr. Fox. Straight away, I'm following a fox. Okay. Am I meant to follow you, Mrs. Fox? You can make it rain, butterflies, flowers. My chucking is terrible. And the tree, flower. The tree. Oh. One more. There's that foxy thing. Oh, we can grow herbs. Bye, Mr. Fox, Mrs. Fox, Samantha Fox. Okay. Music. Oh, those chemtrails are better than that bloody bee. Sorry, pet hit. It's a long, long story. Beautiful. Is there something horrible? A big bird meeting this one? Big bird? Wow, it's so good. It really is good. Oh, you feel the rain on your face in VR. How good is that? Oh, is there a beaver? I would like to see a beaver, please. Before I go. Just one. So good. Is that Mr. Fox? Have I circled? I've circled myself. This is coming down with foxes. Oh, wee boydie. Okay, so we will go back. We shall go back. Why not? So there you have it. That is Nature Treks VR, and yeah, how good is that? If you want to chill out. I meant to do Blue Ocean there, but Green Meadows. What's wrong with a green meadow? So I hope you all enjoyed that. Enjoyed this. It's still on. He won't stop playing it. Look, smell them. Wake up and smell the posies. Okay, so I hope you all get the smell of posy. Look at the mountain range. Holy googly moogly. Snap. So there you have it. That is Nature Treks VR. Thanks very much for watching that. Really long, but you know, no such thing as time, eh? So there's not. If you think about it for a minute, okay? Bye. Love you.